Sanibonani. Ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. Lalela mntomnyama. Amabhunu nabelungu had a problem, and South African Reserve Bank la gaywa khona imali yase South Africa was the solution. South African Reserve Bank yavulwa ngo-1921, ivulwa abelungu base-England. By the time kushaya u-1980, South African Reserve Bank yayisibuyile back to South Africans, kodwa-ke yayicontrolwa abelungu namabhunu, hayi mntomnyama. And by the time thina sifika to independence yethu, by the time kuphele apartheid ngo-1994 sesithola inkululeko, kwenziwa ideal ukuthi sinika konke kodwa sizoqhubeka sicontrole imali. And even namanje South African Reserve Bank inama-shareholders abelungu, ama-shareholders abane-connection to apartheid, abane-connection to abaholi abe-apartheid. We have the Botha dynasty, izizukulwane zayizukulwane za P.W. Botha, former president yase South Africa eyayingafuni apartheid iphele. Umuntu oyengabafuni abantu abamnyama. He controls South African Reserve Bank through Old Mutual. Into ebengayazi ngo-Old Mutual ucontrolwa ama-Afrikaners, u-ownwa ama-Afrikaners. We have Ruford family with umholi wabo uJohannes Ruford ba-owner 10,000 shares through company yabo Remgro Financial. uRuford not only owns ukudla okugaywa kutradewe nabantu baphesheya, ukudla kwala eSouth Africa, he also owns a stake with South African Reserve Bank. He also owns imali yakho. We have ama-Oppenheimer, of course abasali abaphathi be-South Africa. Ama-Oppenheimer owner 20,000 shares through company yabo, the Oppenheimer Investment Group. Ama-Oppenheimer have their hands on izinto ey'ningi la South Africa that makes them the most dangerous family in South Africa. Wakontrol imali ukontrol ikusasa lomuntu. South African Reserve Bank ila khona kugaywa imali entsha sha iqede inikwa abantu. Ibona abenza isinqumo sokuthatha uMandela bamfaka emalini. I-impact yokuthatha uMandela bamfaka emalini yaba positive to umuntu omnyama ngoba abantu abamnyama bajabula. Not realizing ukuthi labantu aba behind the scenes ba controller everything. South African Reserve Bank idayisa ama-shares abo at 10 cent per share. So now